Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button down below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. So today guys, I have to run some errands and I thought I would take you guys with me. I'm going to be going to the grocery store. I need to swing by Lowe's to get the shelves for the pantry, to finish the pantry makeover. And I also have to get the rest of the stuff to finish organizing the pantry. So I'll probably go to maybe Marshall's, maybe Ross, TJ Maxx, and those places, and see what all I can find to finish getting everything organized so I can start getting the painting done and get the shelves put in. I did look at the shelves online. They look really long, so I don't know if they will fit in my car. If they won't, then I may have to get my brother or my dad to go and pick them up for me. So I'm not sure if I'll be able to get them today, but I did want to swing by there and just look at them and see. But I just figured I'd pick up the camera and take you guys with me. So I'll see you when we get to, not sure where I'm going to go yet, but I'll see you whenever we get. Now we are at Ross, guys. We're going to go in here and see what we can find. So guys, we made it to TJ Maxx, so we're just gonna go in here and see what we can find. I need something to put snacks in and things like that, so let's see what we find in here. Okay guys, so we're back from our shopping trip, and I'm gonna show you guys what I bought so far. I did go by Lowe's, but I wasn't able to get the shelves because they wouldn't fit in my car, so I'm gonna have to get my brother or my dad to go back and pick those up for me. But I think I'm gonna wait until after I get the pantry organized the way I want it, get all my containers, and then that way it'll be easier for me to take everything out. So when I get ready to paint, before I put the shelves in, that'll make it easier to take everything out of the pantry. But I want to give you guys an update on how it looks so far with all the containers and things that we've bought. And then I'll show you what I bought, and then we'll put some things in it and change some things around, and then I'll show you guys how it's looking so far. So let me show you guys what update of how. Okay, guys, so this is how it looks so far. I still have to get another container for the cereal. And these are the jars that we've gotten so far. Move that one out of the way. And I still have to put something in that. I did have extra flour in it, but I've used it already. So I'm going to put something else in that one. And the spice rack did come in, so did the jars. And this is how that looks. And again, guys, this part of the spice rack, it pulls out and you can push it shut. So if you don't need this much space, or if you need all of the space, it'll adjust. And then these are some more of the canisters. I'm out of noodles, so I have to buy more noodles. And these here are some of the things that we're going to put in the clear bins that we just bought. These are some of the snacks. And then I also bought a little thing to put these jars and things on, and it just spins. I think it's called a Lazy Susan, I think. And then there's some more snacks down there that we're going to put things in. But so far, this is how it looks. And again, these racks, once I get everything organized, I'm taking these out and I'm going to paint the walls, and then I'm going to have shelves going all along the walls. But this is what it looks like right now, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like after we get everything in, the things that we just bought. Okay, guys, so let's see what we got from the store today. And this first thing actually came from Walmart, not TJ Maxx, but it is a turntable. And you just sit it like this, and it has a little thing underneath. And it just turns, and you can have glass bottles or whatever on it. And you just spin it around to see what you want. See, there's a picture of things that you can put on it. And we're going to put like our hot sauce and things like that stays in the pantry and on this. And this, I think this was like $5 or $6 from Walmart. And then the last, well, not last thing, but, and also I picked up this wreath from TJ Maxx. It was $12.99. This is for another video I'm gonna do. I'm making my own DIY home sign to go in my living room area. I bought the letters from Walmart, and then this is gonna be the O, but it's wood letters, and I'm just gonna spray paint them white and put them on the wall. But this is going to be in the place of the O. I've been having a hard time finding this, and then I finally found it at TJ Maxx, and it was only $12.99. And then the last thing that I bought, take the seat out, were these. This is a 3-pack of clear bins. They are multi-purpose storage bins. And they do have the handles on them to pick them up for easy grip. And they're clear, and you can put them on shelving units in the pantry and in a closet. Like if you were organizing your closet in your bedroom, you could use these as well. And it has the thing here that says label me, and you just write with a dry erase marker and write what you want on it, what's in it. And with the dry erase marker, that makes it a lot easier, because if you change things out or you move it to a different place, you put something else in it, you just erase it and rewrite what's on it. So that makes it easier. And these were $14.99. So we're gonna go ahead and put some snacks and things in these, and then we'll rearrange the pantry. And then I'll show you guys what it's gonna look like. So guys, this is how it looks so far. Got snacks in these two. And then the noodles are in this one. And again, you just write on them with the dry erase marker. And now we're gonna do the turntable and we'll put everything in and I'll show you guys how it looks. All right guys, so I got everything put away. So this is how it looks now. It's a little more organized. And again, this just turns, so it makes it easier to find the things you need. And I still want to get something to put down here that I can keep my water and things like that on. And then once the shelves go in, these will be on the very top shelf because I don't use these every day. So once I get everything painted out and get the shelves put in, the pots and things will be on the top shelf. And then everything else will be organized. And I'll have more space to space things out. And also I saw on Amazon something that I want to order to put the bread in, so it's not blocking anything. And the only reason I have it in front of these is because these are the things that I don't use every day. But there's it's like a undershelf basket that you just connect to your basket and it hangs and you put your bread in. And I'm gonna order that for the bread. But so far I like how it's turning out, and I'm ready to get it painted and get my shelving in. And then once I get the shelves in, my vacuum and my mops will be in this corner over here along with the trash can, because I'm going to stop the shelves halfway so I have space, so they're hidden. So if I have the door open and I have company, then they won't be able to see it, and all they'll see is all the organized stuff, because I don't always keep my pantry door closed. But this is how it looks so far, guys. So we are moving along. All right, guys, so I'm gonna end the video off here. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of the pantry so far. And if you guys have any ideas of things I can do, just let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget to hit the notification bell down below so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.